According to the Hurun Rich List 2024, the richest people in Hebei province are Wei Jianjun and Ha Zhuzhong of Great Wall Motors, with a wealth of 110 billion yuan. Wei Jianjun, a native of Boding, Hebei, is the chairman of Great Wall Motor Company, Limited. He and his wife Ha Zhuzhong are the richest people in Hebei province on the Hurun Rich List 2024, with a wealth of 110 billion yuan. Wei Jianjun was born in 1964. In his early years, he took over the Boding Great Wall Motor Factory, which was on the verge of bankruptcy. With his keen market insight and decisive decision-making, he developed the company from a small modified car factory to one of China's leading automobile manufacturers. Great Wall Motors takes SUVs and pickups as its flagship products. Its brands such as Haval, Weipai, and Tank are popular in domestic and foreign markets, especially in the field of new energy vehicles. Significant progress has been made. Wei Jianjun's success is inseparable from his persistence in technological innovation and quality. He advocates the focus on SUV strategy, which enables Great Wall Motors to occupy a leading position in the market segment. At the same time, he pays attention to global layout. Great Wall Motors has set up factories in Russia, Thailand and other places, and exports to many countries. Wei Jianjun is a low-key and pragmatic person who emphasizes long-termism and is committed to building Great Wall Motors into a global technology company. As Wei Jianjun's wife, Ha Zhuzhong rarely appears in public, but she plays an important role in the development of the company. The couple has jointly promoted the steady growth of Great Wall Motors. Their wealth not only comes from the success of the company, but also reflects the era of opportunities for the rise of China's automobile industry. Today, Wei Jianjun and his wife continue to lead Great Wall Motors to accelerate on the new track of intelligence and electrification with strong capital and clear strategy, adding a strong stroke to China's automobile industry.